Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Now let me introduce high-flying intelligent I/O system. Before using, please download the PC software, IOTMaster. Running the program brings up this screen. The system is self-developed and has many features to serve you. When device is selected, information about the device will be displayed on the left side, such as device icon, model number, MAC address, and online status. Select a device. The right side can see the device, UART status, socket status, etc. Now, IOTMaster is not connected to the device and displays offline. First, prepare a device as shown. Let's choose the simplest LAN port connection. Connect the computer's network cable to the device's LAN port. The indicator light is on, indicating a successful connection. Then you can see the status of the device is updated to online. Click on the device to refresh it to see more information, like version, MAC address, and so on. The following describes the network settings. Click on System. You can see the relevant system information. Click Edit. Then you can change settings. This completes the introduction of the device connection function.